Hey, hi, it's Unbox Mystery, and I'm Zaman, actually Nur Zaman. So today I just want to show you a quick review of Samsung new model A10s. By the way, it's not a sponsored video, and before we get in, I just want to make sure you guys that you hit that subscribe button and get in touch with Unbox Mystery. So let's start right now. It is come with a warranty card. It is approved from PTA. Now let's get inside. So the package contains device. It's look very good. Now it is a quick guide. And it is a USB power adapter, and this USB cable, it is ejection pin. Package content. Take a look of quick guide. It is in Urdu. Warranty card. Quick guide in English. Take a close look of device layout. It is Infinity V display with dual camera and finger scan. It is actually a little bit more tricky to take this out, so just swipe little and push it from down. Push it more to take this out. It looks good. Front camera and power key and multi-purpose jack and small speaker. Volume key, SIM card and memory card tray, dual rear camera, powerful flashlight and cool finger scan. Now let me show you a result of a camera. I'm just taking a picture with simple mode. Now I'm just selecting a live focus mode to show you guys a more clear result. And now I'm just selecting a pro mode. Now I'm turning on the device. Maybe it might be take a little bit time to turn on because it is new. It's open now. Let me show you some features. Check out brightness level. Blue light filter, actually it protect eye. navigation bar, night mode, now let's get into setting. About phone, Samsung Galaxy A10s, Android version 9 Lollipop, octa-core processor, and its battery timing is pretty much cool. Now let me show you how its finger scan works. It needs a few steps to finish. Now let's try it. It worked much better.